Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to simplify square root of 8 to the power square root of 2 over square root of 2 to the power square root of 8 is equal to 8 can be written as 2 square times 2 and this square root and to the power square root of 2 and this square root of 2 to the power 8 is 2 square times 2 square root is equal to, now according to this formula, square root of AB is equal to square root of A times square root of B. We can write it as square root of 2 square times 2 as square root of 2 square times square root of 2 whole to the power this square root of 2 over square root of 2 to the power, according to this formula it can be written as square root of 2 square times square root of 2 is equal to, this square root and square will cancel out, so it will remain 2 times square root of 2 whole to the power square root of 2 and this square root of 2 whole to the power, this square root and square will cancel out, so it will remain 2 times this square root of 2 is equal to, according to this formula, AB to the power n is equal to a to the power n times b to the power n. We can write 2 times square root of 2 to the power square root of 2 is 2 to the power square root of 2 times square root of 2 to the power square root of 2 over, according to this formula, a to the power bc is equal to a to the power b whole to the power c. We can write it as square root of 2 whole square whole to the power square root of 2 is equal to 2 to the power square root of 2 times square root of 2 to the power square root of 2. This square root and square will cancel out, so it will remain 2 to the power this square root of 2. Now 2 to the power square root of 2 and 2 to the power square root of 2 will cancel out, so it will remain square root of 2 to the power square root of 2. So square root of 2 to the power square root of 2. So this is the simplified form of this expression. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.